A day in Barcelona, Spain.
You are watching JNT's Corner.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today is 28th of February 2026, and this is the day that we are going to travel to Barcelona, where we are going to start our Princess Cruise experience. Saying so, we wake up very early in the morning around 4:30 to go to the airport. Since we have checked-in online the day before, all we need to do is drop our bag to the bag drop area. Then we go straight to the departure area where we need to do the security checks of our bags and small baggages. For those who haven't traveled to Ireland, this is how the Dublin airport looks like. After passing the security check, we decided to have some food before starting our journey. After a while of waiting, it's time to board the airplane. So we went outside and walked through the lane going to the airplane. However, we have waited for a while outside and everyone is cold since it's early in the morning. Then, after a while, we were able to board the plane and it started to depart going to Barcelona. It is a long journey, so in between we had some snacks, and the total hour of travel is around 2 hours and 40 minutes. And at this time we are in the clouds, and after a while we reached Barcelona. Finally, nakapasok din kami. So, we're going to wait for our baggage. Walang upuan dito, mga benches while waiting for your bag. So far, convenient naman. Now we are out of the airport and we're just waiting for a taxi. So, ang dami namin and we have to wait for a bigger taxi. So guys, from the Barcelona airport going to our hotel, it takes us around 30 minutes to reach the place. So we arrive here in our destination. Our hotel is on the other side, but it's because the space there going in is a bit smaller. We have to park here and just walk going to the hotel. So we have to look for our hotel. We don't know where it is. So we just need to Google it first. So we met some Filipino around, and we just asked some questions regarding the hotel. Honestly, I think Filipinos everywhere here. You can also see the Asian fast food here. At then, malapit lang pala na nadaanan na namin. So, dito malapit siya sa playground. And here we are. Buti na lang hindi masyadong maloob. Kasi sabi nila, this area is a rough area. Kaya, medyo nakakatakot din kung paloob yung hotel mo. As I've said earlier, maraming Pinoy dito, kaya pati yung receptionist at saka yung nag-a-assist is mga Filipino din. Wow! Luckily, we had our room straight away. We don't need to wait. So, we got 108. Where's the light?
Kasi
There
good
you
for
go.
3 person.
Oh, so 4 person here. Okay, so this is only good for 3 persons. 1 bed is there. Toilet.
Nasaan yung fast charger mo?
Toilet. Not too bad.
Fast charger.
So guys, we are very hungry now and we're going out for lunch. Okay, let's go. Ayan na ang katropa. Kainan na. Hey, madam. Medyo umulan konti. Finally, nakita na namin ang aming kakainan. Ayan o. Yung wok daw sushi teppanyaki. Medyo mahal ito guys, kaya hanap muna tayo ng medyo affordable. Ayan, dito kami dinala sa Barcelona. Burger time.
Ako Barcelona burger. Anong order mo? Hot dog.
Oh, burger. Oh, ayan oh. Wow. Malaki ba? Bukas mo lang yung bunganga mo. Para makain.
Parang si ano daw?
Yan.
Much later.
We're going to Sagrada Familia. So, kumuha kami ng ticket dito sa metro. Sabi ng lalaki kanina, makakamura daw kami if pamilyang ticket ang kukunin namin. So, 12.50 ata yun for 8 trips. And yung mga hindi mag-overtake sa gilid. Pasok kami ngayon sa Sagrada, kaya dito kami sa Sagrada Station, bumaba. Sagrada Familia. Wow, ito na ang Sagrada Familia. Pag-akyat mo pala sa metro, ito na yung bubungad sa'yo. Ayan.
sila man.
So guys, ito yung metro at ito yung Sagrada. So, talagang sa harap lang talaga siya. Ayan. So, nearly finished na siya. It's been like constructed for how many years daw? More than 100 years, guys. Hanggang ngayon, ginagawa pa rin. And ito naman yung harapan ng Sagrada. Ang daming mga pumupunta dito from metro. Ayan o, yung mga tao dito sa harap o. Yung mga turista din katulad namin. So may timing talaga ito. You have to book for your tour. Okay, let's go. Kung makakapasok tayo. Ayan o. Grabe o. So, hindi naman sila stricto kasi 4 o'clock kami nagpabook. Pwede nang pumasok. Buti na lang kasi para sabay-sabay na. Yung sina ate, 3 o'clock yan. Nagpabook ka before. Ayan, grabe 144 years na daw itong ginagawa, guys. Can you imagine? Ganun katagal. Ayan. Ayan yung close-up niya, guys. Ganyan katindi yung mga design niya. Very intricate. May mga santo pa. Oh. Mayroon pang doon sa taas. Oh, parang puno. Ayan.
Picturean kita dyan.
So, kailangan mong pumasok dyan bago kayo makaakyat. May pila. Ayan, oh. Parang hindi mahinto ang mga picturean. Si Ate Bea nakita.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Oras ka ba?
4. Guys, pumunta kami dito sa backside ng cathedral at ito yung nabungaran namin. Ang ganda. So, I'm just gonna give you some background regarding Sagrada Familia, guys. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Barcelona, and it is an iconic, unfinished basilica designed by Antoni Gaudi. So they started to construct this in 1882, which was done initially by Francisco de Paula del Villar, and later it was taken over by Gaudi in 1883. Inspired by nature, Gaudi dedicated his life until his death in 1926. Gaudi died in 1926 after being hit by a tram, leaving only a quarter of the work finished. And despite a fire in 1936 that destroyed models and plans during the Spanish Civil War, construction continued and guided by saved materials and reconstructed plans. Now famously known as the largest unfinished church, the basilica is slated for completion using modern technology, with its central tower for Jesus intended to make it the tallest religious building in Europe. So hindi kami guys makapasok sa loob dahil our ticket is 4:15 and the rest got 3 o'clock, so hindi talaga kami makapasok. We tried to explain but they didn't listen and they don't allow. So for the meantime we go around here the Familia Sagrada. So I just want to have an ice cream, so let's go to the Burger King again. Grabe ang strict nila guys. Kailangan 15 minutes before talaga ng due date. ng due time. Hindi ka nila papasukin pag maaga ka. So dapat on time.
More moments later.
Finally, nakapasok kami guys. So may x-ray pa parang sa airport. Grabe. I think they're waiting for us.
Yeah.
Oh. There they are. Ayan guys, so close look. Ito yung entrance nila. Ang dalawang dalagita. Hey, lahat na lang may video, may phone. Grabe. Isang oras ang antay nila sa amin. Oh my gosh, God. Ito yung sa loob niya, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Grabe. Ito yung isa sa mga windows dito. Isa pa sa mga windows dito. Colorful. I'm wondering kung how many people visited this place every day kasi ang daming pasok, labas, pasok. Ayan na yung mga kasama ko. Sige, Rarat. Ayan. Parang ano to yung Harry Potter.
Harry Potter na ito sa
Ay, grabe. Talaga.
ibang klase din. Ibang
Ayan o. Nakakalula nga itong makikita mo. Wow. 144 years of making daw. Ito. Very colorful yung mga windows talaga nila. Ito yung altar nila. Oh, ayan. Nalalaki ng ano nila, oh, pillars nila. Oh. Grabe. So, ikot muna kami guys para makita naman natin yung ibang sulok. So, ayan, in and out na mga tao dito. Nasa sayo kung gaano katagal ang gusto mong ma-stay. So, kung gusto mong maghilay-hilay, pwede rin. Pwede ka rin umakyat. Ayan. Pero sabi ni ate, medyo mahirap daw ang spiral pababa. Kaya, hindi na lang kami umakyat. Ayan. Palabas kami dito sa likod. Okay. Tingnan mo yung pintuan naman guys. Oh, binukit na Yeah, this is the opposite side. This is the back. Yan oh. Dito na kami kanina, doon lang kami sa labas. Ayan, lumabas na kami. Ayan, daming nakatingin dito kasi maganda nga itong part din na ito. Ayan yung mga details ng pag-crucify kay Papa Jesus. Ayan, picture pa more. Lahat ng mga tao nakatanga dito. Okay, so we're going outside na naman. So kung lalakarin mo at aakitin mo ito, medyo tatagal ang tour mo. Pero kung titingin lang within like 15 minutes or less than 30 minutes, makukuha mo siya. Itong tower na ito, parang ginagapos si Jesus siguro dito. We're going to the side. Candle holders. Okay, monogram daw ito from the ceiling of chapel at Casa Batlio. So this is the view from the crypt of Sagrada Familia, 1898. So ano siya guys, mga antique na ito guys. Imagine 1898. Ayan, chair and prie-dieu from the crypt of Sagrada Familia, 1898 din guys. Ayan o. Movable pulpit from the crypt of Sagrada Familia, 1898 also. Ito kung saan yung pare nagsasalita, mag-preach. Meron silang mga missal stand and tabletop candlesticks from the crypt of Sagrada Familia, 1925 guys. Ayan, matanda pa sa kay mother. So dito guys makikita mo may mga ornamental furnishings. Grabe, 1897 pa yun daw guys. Yung mga ganyan, 1897. Pero parang ang bago pa rin ang mukha nila. More than 100 years na ito. Oh. So now we're going out. We are going against the flow of the others na. Ayun sa pinto guys, pakikita niyo yung pangalan. Jesus, Joseph. Maybe some of these words, letters are familiar with you. Mayroon ding spiral na hagdanan doon. Oh, kung sino man yung gustong umakyat dyan. I'm not so sure kung upuan yun guys. Pero parang upuan ng mga tao na gustong makita yung misa or something. Ito dito sa center na ito. Ayun, meron siyang mga nakasulat doon. At ito parang may statue siya na nakaupo. Ito yung miniature map ng Sagrada. Ito yung copy ng tower nila. Grabe, yung mga very intricate at saka talagang pinaghirapang gawin. Ito, kung paano nila ginawa. May mga babae din, Ang galing. Mga babae pa, ayan, yan yung tower niya. Ang ganda ng kulay ng bintana. Ito yung takip silim na guys, image ng mga window. Stained glass window na ito. Ang ganda kasi takip silim. Talaga yung araw nakaano. Okay, punta tayo ng museum. Libre daw ito dito sa gilid ng Familia Sagrada. So, medyo malamig pag sa labas guys, paggabi. But during the day, okay lang. Paggabi, medyo malamig na. Kaya pumasok kami dito sa museum. Dito makikita mo yung mga history. Paano ginawa. So, nag-start pala ito 1866. Yan na yung chronological order ng progress ng paggawa. Ito yung original na architect daw. ito yung mga gawa ng architect ng Sagrada Familia. Yan, mga souvenirs guys. Kaya may bibili na naman ako dito. I like this, so I think I can buy this one. So guys, ito yung model of the terminals of the apps. 1:10 scale. So, yeah. So, ang sabi dito guys na si Gaudi usually took reference from the nature in the immediate surroundings of the project he was working on. So, kung ano yung makikita niya, ini-sculpt niya. So, ayan. I think parang lavender ito. So, yung dulo nito parang lavender din, ano? Ito yung tiles with sunflowers and leaves of Casa Vicens and El Caprico and Pomelas. So, ayan, oh. Ayan siya, ayan siya. So, yung mga work niya, really, based sa nature. Ayan. And this is the model of the terminal of window in the side nave. Ayan, parang meron din siyang cinema kung gusto mong manood. Oh, ano kaya ito? Parang mga socks na nakasuspend. Ito naman yung map. This one is the prototype of a star for the crown on the tower of the Virgin Mary. And this is the reproduction of the original model of the Glory Facade. Ito yung isa sa mga model nila guys. Ito kung saan nila ginagawa yung mga miniatures. Ayan o. Mga example nila. Ayan kung paano nila ginagawa. Ito yung example sa kung saan nagmass dito sa Sagrada. It's already an exit, so we'll have to come back now. Ito yung sample ng sa taas nila, oh, yung sa poste nila. Ayan, oh. Ito palang suspended socks is the model that Gaudi have used to build the Sagrada Familia. So, panoorin natin guys kung paano siya naging guide sa paggawa ng Sagrada Familia. So, ayun, naintindihan pala natin kung anong purpose ng mga socks na nakasuspend. So, ayan siya kung paano nabuo yung Sagrada Familia. Actually, nung una, hindi ko rin magets eh. So, ngayon alam ko na. Ito yung effect ng ceiling. Ganda, ano? And in this section, makikita nyo yung history ng Sagrada Familia when it started until to the present. Okay, labas na kami. Tapos na ang aming tour. Shop ulit. Bilihan ulit. Pumunta kami dito sa garden just in front of the Sagrada Familia para magpa-picture. Ayan kasi parang cinematic ang dating. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda nga niya tingnan pag dito, oh. Kasi parang may mga halahalaman pa. Ayan. Ayan, dapat may lagoon sana dito pero dry siya. Ang dami nagpapapicture. Ayan, guys. Oh. Ayan, oh. Kasi ang ganda tingnan. Time to go. We have satisfied ourselves sa picturean kaya balik na kami sa aming hotel kasi may mga bisitang nag-aantay na imimip. Yung mga kababayan na nina ate. Ayan, sa gilid kami. Ayan, makikita mo pag sa gilid ka dito. Handa.
I don't know if you like,
Hey, metro kami ulit, pabalik. Antay-antay lang namin yung iba. At bumalik kami sa aming hotel kaya nagkita itong asawa ko at yung kanyang sister at brother-in-law at yung anak ko. So, first time nilang magkita dito sa Barcelona. Aside from that, dumating din ang mga kababayan ng mga in-laws ko kaya ayan, nakipag-banding. Esla Negra, welcome! Dito nila kami dinala sa Filipino restaurant dito sa Barcelona. Actually, today is the birthday of Althea. So, ayan, nilibre niya kami sa kanyang birthday. Tapsilog special!
The rain's in front. Happy birthday
So we have enjoyed the food, and after that, my husband met his friend for 26 years, and she's been living here in Barcelona. And that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time on our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe.